make you go cross-eyed. You woke up just in time. Everybody's about to get here. Hiccup. 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 Say hi, world. I got the hiccups. I do not like these hiccups.
Daddy hates hiccups.
I hate hiccups just like Daddy. Why is it so blurry? Looking right at the camera. What is that? What is that? Okay, I'm hoping these
like
hiccups...
all the things that you do with hiccups, or I don't really think you could do with a baby.
Yeah, let's scare him. Or wait, what
or
else?
Drinking water while holding the ears
hold
closed.
him. Let's put water in his mouth and hold him upside down. Good idea.